Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the Arabic Fluency channel. Today I have something exciting for you. Insha'Allah, we are going to kick off a brand new series where we will discuss the basics of the Arabic language. Insha'Allah, in the next few videos, we are going to cover the most essential concepts in Arabic grammar. And if you follow along, you should be able to get a complete overview of the basics of the Arabic language bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. So let's get started, insha'Allah. For lesson number 1, we are going to talk about the root system in Arabic. The root system in Arabic is something amazing. Words in Arabic are made of 3 consonant words, mostly 3 consonant words and sometimes 4 consonant words. Now let's start with the 3 consonant root word. So for example, we have ka, ta, ba. Now kataba is a root word made up of these 3 consonants. Now each root word will have a concept or meaning associated with it. In the case of kataba, the concept it is associated with is writing. Now we can take or derive multiple words from this root and they will all be associated with this concept of writing. Now to take these words, we can add vowels, short or long, and we can add certain letters like hamza, ta, sin, ya, mim, noon, and waw. So we can add these letters to it and we can add the vowels to derive different words from this root word, and all of them will be associated with the meaning writing. So let's look at examples. From kataba, we can take the verb kataba, which means to write. We can take katib by adding the vowel, and katib means writer. We can take kitab, which means book. We can take maktab, which means a place where things are written. For instance, an office. Maktab can mean an office because things are written in the maktab. We have maktaba, which means library, again associated with the concept of writing. So in this way, we can learn multiple words by learning a single root. If you understand the root, then it is easy to remember all the words derived from it. So in this way, you can increase your vocabulary of the Arabic language exponentially by understanding how the root system works and how to derive words from the root. Now we are going to look at some more examples to understand this concept better bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Next we have the root ain, lam, mim. Alima, alima. And alima carries the meaning to know. From alima we can derive Alim, a scholar. The verb alima, to know. Ma'loom, something that is known. هذا معلوم, this is known. We have mu'allim, mu'allim, teacher. We have Alim, which is one of the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-Alim, the all-knowing. If you look at another root, Rasala, Rasala means to send. So from Rasala we have Rasul, a messenger. We have Risala, a letter or a message. Mursal, someone who is sent. Then we have another root, khalaqa, which has the meaning create. So from khalaqa we get khaliq, the creator. Makhluq, the creation. We get khuluq, which means the internal nature or character of a person. So all these meanings are associated directly or abstractly with the original root word. So this is how the root system works in Arabic, and when you learn new words, try to derive the roots, because as we said, this will make your vocabulary learning much faster bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. I hope you enjoyed this first lesson, and insha'Allah I will see you for the next one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.